This jump demonstration shows the sixth quality tool, the scatter plot, for showing the relationship between two continuous variables. Our team is trying to solve a quality problem in our injection molding process. Using the quality tools on data we've collected, we've identified short-shot defects from cavity 3 to be a big contributor to the loss of quality. So I've got some process data from cavity 3. Let's examine the relationship between short-shot defects and cavity temperature and ambient humidity. I'll go to Graph Builder. Short shots is the Y. Cavity temperature is the X. I'll add a line of fit. There's a strong relationship with cavity temperature. I'll drag humidity to the right side of the x-axis. There's not a strong linear relationship with humidity. I'll resize and click Done.